So first of all, on the front side, you have a little USB port. Getting the software onto a USB flash drive and then just plugging it in. Okay, so now that we have plugged in the USB drive, we're going to go into settings, log in with the code 2000, enter, and then click copy GCC update. You will notice that we have a software version 5.04. We will copy the update, hold it until it switches back to copy update, and then we're going to select the update that we want. Here's our version 5.05. We're gonna hit the return button. And are you sure? Yes. Now there's a code. We need to enter 021886. Enter. Would you like to place the program in run mode? Okay. And now we're going to go back to settings, press on About Calf Hero, and you will see that we've updated to GCC software version 5.05. Make sure to power down the machine and then power it back up.